Hey guys, what's up? So today is Sunday and I am gonna head out right now with my friend Taryn. She just moved back into town and we're gonna go check out this food festival that happens every so often. I think it's like twice a year that it happens in like the little neighborhood of Philadelphia that I live in. So they have like a bunch of food trucks and they all line up on the main street. So we're gonna go check that out. They have like fun little shops and live music. It is supposed to rain today. But it's just kind of cloudy right now. It's not really rainy. So hopefully it like holds out. And so I'll go ahead and take you guys with me so you can come and check that out and hopefully we get some yummy eats because I'm really hungry. So let's head on out. So we got these fries, they're really good. We're like seeking shelter under this, what do you call this? Front porch. And they're really yummy. You got it? Hold it. Oh, that's too big, that's too big, that's too big.
Yeah.
Yes.
What do they put on it?
It's Philly, South Philly, the South Philly. It's like basically a cheesesteak with bacon.
Sounds good.
They're very good. Ooh, that's pretty. That's like right up my alley. Yeah. It is, yeah, it's a little over my price range.
Yeah.
But that's cute. We are back. It was so cold. It was literally like so windy and it was like misty, so I didn't really get a lot of footage and there wasn't actually a lot of people there. But it was fun. We got some good food and now we are getting ready to go ahead and head out to IKEA just to get a couple of things. I'm looking for like a nightstand and some pillow throws just to kind of spruce it up a little bit for spring/summer. And yeah, so I'll take you guys along with me for that. So here we go to IKEA. Okay, going to IKEA and it's freaking windy as hell. Oh, sorry. Sorry, peeps. Look how windy it is. Okay. Gonna go get some stuff. Oh my god, why is it so cold? I like these shoes, and those shoes, and this person, and these shoes right there. Well, then you need a step stool, not a lower mirror.
I need another mirror.
Found them. Okay, which one am I looking for? Oh, right here. Wait. Yes. So we have our nightstand, our pot, and our new plant friend. Yay!
Whatever.
There she is. So we just got back from IKEA, and whenever we got out, it was freaking pouring rain. So I had to pull up the car and get our lovely little plant friend over there into the car. And that top little palm tree was not going until I had to like tilt it in there. But we got it in there. We got it here. And now we're eating Qdoba for dinner. Hungry. We're watching Ella Enchanted. And then I'm gonna try to put together the nightstand that I bought. So hopefully I can get that set up. That was the weekend. We did the food truck festival, which was kind of cold and rainy, but we did get some really good food, so I'm happy that we got to do that. And then we went over to IKEA, walked it off a little bit there, and I was looking for pillow shams as well, just to kind of like mix it up, because I feel like my bed needs some color for spring and summer, because right now it's just kind of all white, and I like things to like look crisp and clean, so that's why a lot of like the stuff in my room is white. If you guys haven't noticed, it just looks, I don't know, it just looks brighter. And I'm slowly trying to like freshen up the apartment. Every year since I was a freshman in college, I've moved, and this is the first year that I'm actually staying put for a second year. So I think this is a good time for me to kind of spruce up the apartment with buying little things here, rearranging, just to kind of give it a new fresh feel. This wasn't exactly a continuing series of the spring series, but it was a little bit, because we got some plants, so we got some new furniture just to kind of spruce up the space. So I could definitely do a room tour or like an apartment tour for you guys later on. If that is something that you would be interested in seeing, please comment down below for some future videos. I could definitely do that for you guys. I'm like slowly trying to spruce up the apartment, just, you know, little things here and there. That's this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it. We did a little bit of everything today about this little plant guy, and I will be naming it, I don't know what I will be naming it yet. If you have any suggestions, leave them down below in the comments. Also, if you're not part of our family yet here on YouTube, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and hit that little notification bell on the side so you know exactly when I post videos on every Thursday. And I will see you guys next week. And just a little hint as to what is coming up in the next couple of weeks. I do have a trip coming up, so make sure to stay tuned and subscribe for that if you guys want to see those videos. And I will see you guys next week. Bye, guys.